Welcome to X-UK. Welcome back, guys. Update time on the R35 GTR. So we've painted the front end and assembled it, so it's all bonded together onto the car. New headlights, lightning bolts, OEM headlights, quite expensive, but icing on the cake. What we got left? On the front, we've got nothing left. I put new tires on. The old tires had a very large profile, so because the profile was too big, it was hitting inside every time I turned the car. That's sorted. I'm not going to space the wheels out to give me a perfect fitment, because I want to focus on the driving dynamics of the car. I want the car to drive well. Even though it's on air suspension, the suspension's inverted, so I've still got my performance aspect of the drivability of this car. So I've got my comfort, I can take it around the track and I've got no issues. And yeah, so my tyre setup's perfect. Paint is beautiful, alhamdulillah, absolutely amazing. And you won't imagine that I paint in a makeshift booth. You know, I don't have a proper spray booth. We don't bake the paint. However, we let nature take its toll on the paint and naturally let the paint vaporize and dry up. So yeah, what do you think of my JDM front number plate? That's a souvenir from when I used to import cars about 20 years ago, and I used to keep the Japanese plates. So yeah, back, I've got a few issues. This corner here is supposed to go to the edge of the bumper, and that is supposed to go to the edge. But on this side, it goes to the edge. The other piece isn't on, but you can imagine it follows on here perfectly. So I've got to fix that. Nothing major. And then onto paint. I'll be painting the 4 rear panels, the wide body panels, painting the rear bumper. The problem I've got now is the tailgate. I'm changing the spoiler because I've designed my own spoiler. I really love the look of this spoiler and the fact that it's an active rear wing. You know, when you're driving and you look in your rear view mirror and you see the spoiler doing funny things for braking, for cornering, I love it, but I don't think it goes with the body kit. Comment below, let me know what you think. But yeah, that's the update for now. I'm going to pull the car back in. I only pulled it out because I wanted to see the color match. Inside here with this fake light, it's LEDs, it doesn't help. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, and on to the next one.